Increase engagement for your app. Besides making people install your app, you can also make sure they use it. At this time, click on Increase Engagement in your app. With the App Engagement objective, you'll be able to get more people to use your Facebook or mobile app. I will copy the URL and paste it here. You'll need to read and accept the terms. You can name your campaign, then click on Continue. You'll then see the Audience section again. As you'll notice, there are only 3 placement options available to increase the engagement of your app. You'll also see the option to choose mobile devices. The Budget and Schedule section is the same as usual. In the Advanced Options, for optimization for advert delivery, you can decide to deliver by link clicks, app events, or by daily unique reach. For bid amount, you can choose between automatic or manual. For when you are charged, you can choose to be charged by impression or by link click. For advert scheduling, you may find it's disabled because you already set that up in the Schedule step. In the delivery type, you can choose standard or accelerated as usual. Finally, you can give your advert set a name too. You can use the default one or change it if you want. Then click on Continue. Then comes the format. You could choose to show only 1 image or video at a time in your advert, or you can choose to show up to 5 images at a time at no extra cost. With the single image option, you'll see the Media section, where you'll be able to choose the image or video that you'd like to use in your adverts. With the Multiple Images option, the Images and Links area will appear. You'll be able to choose the images and links that appear in your adverts. I'll use the Single Image option again. I'll use Free Stock Images. Then, you'll be able to select what Facebook page will represent your adverts. There you'll see the option called Use Page as Actor. You can also see the Instagram account attached. You can assign a headline, add some text, add a deep link, which is optional, a call to action, or a pixel tracking. In the advert preview, you'll see exactly how your ad will look on the mobile newsfeed, on Instagram, and on the Audience Network. Finally, you can review your order and click on Place Order.